You want to sew like Vicky James? Then watch this video till the end, because in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the secret to making a perfect mermaid bridal dress. I am going to show you the arcing technique to making the perfect mermaid bridal dress. Hey guys, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. My name is Winnie and you're welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in learning, then watch this video till the end, like, share my videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload a new video. Without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. I made a tutorial on this channel that I named the arcing technique of making the Vicky James bridal dress. I'm going to drop the link up here on this video. So this is the pattern that I've made. That was the front pattern and this is the back pattern, and I'm just trying to note my points. So this is like the sewing video. So that is my knee line that I drew out, and the brown paper that you are seeing is the arcing technique, which I explained in the former video. So go and watch that video and come back to this one. So I used a miniature to make that video, but this is the full version now. So now I've placed my back panel on the fabric. I folded it into two and I placed it on the fabric. I used about 4 yards of chantilly net for this back part alone, for the back alone, 4 yards. Someone was asking me that how many yards can she use. It's depending on how long you want your train to be, how long you want that arcing technique part to be. If you want it longer, you know that you are going to buy a whole lot of fabric. So I did not put the zip allowance or the pattern, so I'm just creating 1.5 inch zip allowance now, and then I am going to cut that out. So when it gets to the point of the arcing technique, I'm just going to take 1/2 inch outward for the seam allowance to join it together. Just 1/2 inch is enough to join it together. Then after that is done, on the sides of the arcing technique, I'm also going to make sure that there is a space of 1/2 inch for the seam allowance. And then once that is done, I'm just going to cut everything. I'm going to cut everything the same way. Just the down part I added 1/2 inch. On this side that I'm cutting right now, we've already added all the allowances on the pattern. If you watch my former video, you will understand. So I'm just trying to show you the sewing tutorial. This is really wide and I'm sorry my camera does not contain everything. So I went ahead to cut the lining. You can make the lining full or half if you want. Mine was about 30 inches long, the lining I mean. So I'm just cutting it out right now. So the lining was about 30 inches long. Don't forget the 1/2 inch and the 1 inch, the 1.5 inch zipper allowance at the back area, as you can see. Then you cut the other part exactly as the pattern. So once that is done, I also place the front and then I cut the front. So there's a little thing I want you to do when you are measuring on your client. Make sure that the front is getting to the down and is even flowing to the front. Like, make sure that it is flowing, it covers the shoe, and you even create more room to flow very well so that it can be flowing very well, so it will not jump up at the front. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the front and the back with lining, which I've done here. You can do the fabric placement if you want, but I will advise that you turn it with lining to avoid too much stress, because this is going to be really long, and if you want it very long, very long, you know that it's going to be very stressful if you are doing your fabric placement. So just turn it with your lining, and then you are going to join the two sides together. So this is me placing the sides together, and I'm just going to join it with the allowance, and this was the final look. See the front that I was talking about, make sure that it is flowy, and see the back, see how full and wide the back is. By the time the person is walking, it's going to be angelic. So you can make the back longer if you want. I hope this was helpful. Till I see you in the next tutorial, I want you to know that I love you and I care. Don't forget to watch the former video, which I'm also going to be dropping right now. So see you later. Bye.